Hi everyone, this is Coach Kelvin. Spinning classes are getting more and more common these days. You might see some people getting injured, suffer from muscle breakdown, which eventually could lead to a rhabdo. Stay tuned for a quick guide to enjoy the benefits of spinning without getting injured. This is a high intensity but low impact workout at the same time. However, it could be harmful if you didn't set up your bike correctly. There will be more impact on your knees and joints to increase the rate of injury. For tips on adjusting the seat, you can refer to our previous video. Many people think that the faster you pedal, the more efficient the workout. If you notice that you are bouncing a lot or having too low resistance, you are introducing more impact. And this bounce often causing your shoulders and head to bounce. This is what gives the bobblehead appearance. Setting the resistance too high so you can barely push your leg around is another mistake. Too much resistance will put too much pressure on your knee joints, especially as time goes by, injury comes in. So don't overexert yourself by jumping up to a high level you aren't prepared for. Riding is fantastic for your core, but you need to learn to engage it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more fitness videos.